Pecorino and white wine, classic Tuscan ingredients, and they work really well in this pork involtini. You are gonna love it. And it starts with an onion. I'm gonna cook the onions in lardo, and then I'm going to put extra flavor in by using guanciale, which is pork jowl. It's gonna be delicious. First off, I'm gonna cut the slices of lardo. And then I'm gonna get some lardons from the guanciale. It's time to fire up the hob. So what we're doing is we're rendering the fat from the lardo and the guanciale, and the onions are cooking in it, and that's all going to flavour the delicious stuffing that goes in the pork loin. While that's cooking, let's prepare the herbs for the stuffing. Now we're going to take that off the heat, put it into a bowl and add all the other ingredients. You get some breadcrumbs, some delicious chestnuts and some very special Tuscan pecorino. All of those ingredients are quite salty, so go easy on the salt. Now you know when the stuffing's perfect, when it comes together in a juicy, meaty clump of deliciousness, and that's what we're going to wrap in the pork loin. Just take your pork loin and put it between a piece of greaseproof. This beautiful piece of pork loin that's ready to be stuffed. So you put some stuffing into the greaseproof paper, just flatten it down with your hands, and then we're going to put that in the pork and roll it. These little parcels of delightfulness are almost ready. All we're going to do now is tie them up with a little bit of butcher string so they don't uncoil when we cook them, garnish with a little sage leaf, finally dust, and then it's time to cook them. They just need to be finished off in the oven. You need it at 180 and you need it cooked for about 8 to 10 minutes. They're ready. Pork involtini with pecorino and white wine from Tuscany. You're just gonna love this.